Holy shit. That is a big bird. I haven't seen many vultures around lately. I was just thinking that. Oh, that's a turkey. That's a turkey up in the tree. Holy shit. That is a big bird. I haven't seen many vultures around lately. I was just thinking that. Oh, that's a turkey. That's a turkey up in the tree. No, maybe not. No, that's a vulture, I think. I don't think turkeys are that great of flyers. Huh, you don't like that big bird. That's one thing that I think Pouncy is afraid of is predatory birds. Like, he doesn't like being in like open fields or open areas. He doesn't like big birds, do you, huh? What do you think of that big